You know that person who's endlessly patient with everyone else, but brutal to themselves? Always answers the late-night call. Always stays behind. First to say, "No worries," when someone messes up. But alone, that gentle voice flips ice cold. You're worthless. You ruin everything. No one wants you around. The scary part? They believe it. Maybe that's you. This isn't a flaw, it's your brain on autopilot. Let's dismantle it. First, you're not alone. 86% of adults 18 to 34 feel inadequate. Your brain's wired for negativity bias. It clings to harsh judgments over compliments. But is that voice right? No. A 2013 study slipped people's own voices into stranger recordings. They rated their own higher without knowing. The things you hate? Not objectively bad. You only hate them because they're yours. Why? Evolution. Missing berries means hunger. Missing rustling in bushes means death. Your brain screams at threats. One nasty comment drowns 10 compliments. Rejection once meant death, so your brain twists you into what others expect. Culture adds fuel. Achievement societies teach love is conditional. You're loved for performing, not existing. Kids bring home A's, hear, "Why not A?" They learn, "I'm not enough. I must be perfect to matter." You split into three: actual self, flawed, tired. Ideal self, who you dream of being. Ought self, who you think you must be. Burned out? Your ought self forces you to smile and take more work. That gap, self-discrepancy theory, makes your brain scream failure. Why judge yourself harder than others? Information gap. You forgive coworkers, you see surfaces. But you've got your full file. Every mistake, every cringe. When alone, exhaustion hits. Ironically, self-criticism releases pressure from performing all day. Love yourself sounds nice, but it's useless. Here's what works. 1. Change the pronoun. "I'm stupid" fuses identity to mistakes. Try, "You're feeling insecure," or "She's beating herself up." Creates distance. Ask, "What would I tell a friend?" Use that standard on yourself. 2. 5-second silence rule. Got a compliment? Don't deflect. Say thank you. Sit with discomfort 5 full seconds. You're teaching your brain you're allowed recognition without perfection first. 3. Reframe selfish as maintenance. Fear says harshness keeps you together. Wrong. Endurance, patience, capacity, limited resources. Performing your ought self burns massive energy. Tear yourself apart after? That's burnout. Can't charge someone's phone at 1%. Neglect yourself, you snap at loved ones, lose focus, can't help anyone. Self-care isn't selfish, it's required maintenance to keep functioning. You don't need fixing, you need one shift. End the double standard. Give yourself the respect you give others. The punishments you've handed yourself? Absurd. Once that logic breaks, it dissolves without a fight. Ever catch yourself being too hard on yourself? What stopped the spiral? Drop it below, someone desperately needs it. Hit like and subscribe. Take care.